Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial on how to make rainbow rice. I actually had so much fun making this. These are the things you'll need. Now I want to make a lot, so I'm using 3 2-kilo bags of rice. Then I've chosen 6 colours of this bright poster paint from Officeworks. So I'm using 6 of these medium-sized sealable bags, but you could easily use a mixing bowl instead. Then I'm just using a couple of old baking trays. Optional is a wooden spoon and baking paper. For each colour, I'm tipping in about half a bag of rice. Now with the paint, I'm just squirting in a whole huge blob. I'm not measuring anything, I'm just estimating and going for it. But I always put in more than I think I'll need just in case. Spread out the rice as much as possible so that it can dry quicker, and leave this to dry for about 2 to 3 hours. Once the rice is dry, a lot of it is going to be stuck together. This is normal and you can easily crumble it apart with your fingers. Thanks for watching. I hope you had just as much fun as I did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more crafty art videos.